Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Ford Focus. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. Inside now. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.